In this video, we will learn about the laws of liquid pressure. So, the important laws are first is that pressure at a point inside a liquid increases with the increase in depth below the free surface. We know the formula that pressure is equal to rho gh, where h is the depth from the free surface. Okay, so we know that if pressure is directly proportional to the depth, so we can say that if I increase the depth, the pressure will also increase. Okay. Now, you can see in this particular diagram that if the pressure at this point is P1 and the pressure at this level is P2, so we can easily say that P2 is greater than P1 because depth is more in the second case. Second is pressure of a liquid depends upon the density of the liquid. We know that pressure is equal to rho gh. So pressure is directly proportional to density as well as. So higher is the density of the liquid, high is the liquid pressure. Third is the liquid pressure at all the points in a horizontal plane is exactly the same. This line means that at this particular level, all these points have the same pressure that is equal to P1, and at this particular level, all these points have the same pressure that is P2. So if I place an object here, it will experience P2 pressure. Here also it will experience P2 pressure. Here it will experience P1 pressure. Here it will experience P1 pressure. Okay. As you can see on a horizontal level, the pressure is same. Fourth is liquid exerts equal pressure in all directions at a depth, which means that if I place a cube over here, then the cube will experience pressure from all the directions equally. Okay. Fifth point is that pressure inside a liquid does not depend on the shape and size of the container vessel as well as the area of the surface on which it acts, which means that pressure on a single point, if is P, then pressure on a box at the same horizontal level will be equal to P. Okay. It does not depend that the volume of the box is more, so it will experience more pressure, or the volume of the point is less, so it will experience less pressure. Both will experience the same pressure at a given depth. Sixth is the liquid seeks its own level. Now, there are some daily life consequences of liquid pressure. So, liquid pressure plays an important role in our daily life. First is the water supply tank should be installed at a height. So, the water storage tank designed to supply water to a township or a locality should be installed at a sufficient height. We know that greater the height is, higher is the water pressure in the outlet tap in a house. Simple, because pressure is directly proportional to height. From the formula, we can easily see that. Second is the base of a dam is made broader. This is because we can see that in this particular figure that the dam wall base is broader. This is because as the stored water, that is this water, the depth is increasing, so will the pressure will also increase. So this particular portion will experience more pressure than this particular area, right? Now to withstand this greater pressure here than this or this, the dam is made broader at the base. So the water pressure is maximum at the base, so the base of the dam is made much more broad and thick. Third is special suit for divers. So the water pressure in a lake or the sea increases with the increase in depth. So if a diver want to go deep inside the sea, so we have to make the suit capable of withstanding that particular pressure. So deep down the sea or lake, pressure may be so high that it may even crush a human being present there. Therefore, the deep sea divers wear special type of protective suit which can withstand such high pressures and diver remain safe. Fourth is submarine are built of hard, thick sheet of special high strength steel alloys so that they may withstand the high pressure deep under the seawater. Fifth is the deep sea fish have a high blood pressure. This is because it balances the high pressure of the seawater at such depth. If a fish is taken out of the water, the external pressure on its body suddenly decreases, and as such, the fish may burst because of the pressure difference. Sixth is the blood pressure in human is greater at the feet than at the brain. Okay, this is because the heart is near the brain, much more the heart is near the feet. Okay, so the depth is increasing more, so the pressure will be more. Seventh is as an air bubble or a gas bubble is formed at the base of the water container, rises, it grows in size. At the base of the water container, we can see that the pressure is maximum on the gas or water bubble. So, according to Boyle's law, which states that if the temperature of any place is constant, the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. So, if we increase the pressure, or if we say the pressure is maximum, the volume will be minimum. In this particular case, here the pressure is maximum at the base, so the volume of the bubble will be minimum. As the bubble is rising up, the depth is decreasing, so will the pressure will also decrease. So at the surface of the liquid, the pressure is nearly equal to atmospheric pressure, or I can say the pressure is minimum, so the volume here will be maximum. Okay. Due to this reason, the bubble grows in size as it moves from the base of a water body to the surface. Okay. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.